Hey guys, how are you? If you are new on my YouTube channel, Moto Insurance, then please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. So basically in this video, I am going to tell you about that how does car insurance work. So let's start our video. So here's it, US News Insurance. Basically here's it at the top of the screen. Car insurance option is provided here. So here's it by Christian Hall, Gister, Gessler, and Karen Byrne. So you said compare rates option is also provided here. So if you want a comparison, then you have to provide your zip code, and after that you have to click on this comparison option for a comparison. So here's it. What is car insurance? So basically, depending on the policy you choose, a car insurance can provide financial protection in the event your car is damaged or stolen. You are injured in an accident, or you are at fault for an accident that causes bodily injury or property damage to third parties. It can also help you meet any minimum coverage requirement mandated by your state or required by a lender. So here's it. Basically, uh, wait for a while. How car insurance work specifically can depend on the laws of your state, which coverages you carry, and your insurer. On this page, we will cover some of the most common types of car insurance coverage and offer some tips for deciding how much coverage you need and finding the most affordable car insurance available to you. So what is car insurance? So you can see it, car insurance can act as a type of property and casualty P&C insurance that provide financial protection if you are in a car accident, your vehicle is damaged in a non-collision events, example a falling tree, hail, etc., or your car is stolen. In exchange for a premium, the amount of money you pay for your policy, the insurer will pay for covered expenses up to any applicable limits. Auto insurance acts on the concept of indemnity, which states the policyholders will be made whole again or return to their original financial position. If your car suffers damage or you are sued over an accident caused, your insurance policy can step in and help pay for repairs, replacements, medical bills, and any other expenses you are deemed liable for, assuming you have the proper coverage and limits to do so. Some form of car insurance is mandatory in most states, and the legal requirements and minimum limits vary by state. So here's here, basically. Most require coverage for third-party bodily injury and property damage, liability claims in the event you are at fault in an accident and injure another driver or their passengers or cause damage to someone's property such as a fence or a mailbox. Coverage for you and your passengers may also be required in the form of personal injury protection (PIP) or medical payments made pay coverage. Physical damage coverages like comprehensive and collision are typically optional but may be required if you finance or lease your car. This coverage provides first party property protection for your own vehicle if it's damaged and you are responsible for paying the repair or replacement cost. Every policy is based on limits or the minimum or the maximum amount the insurance company will pay on a claim. Some types of coverages also carry deductibles on amounts you have to pay before the insurer will cover remaining costs. So here's it. There are several types of car insurance available, and you can customize a policy to get the insurance coverage you need. So here's it. Basically, kind of car insurance coverage. So since car insurance coverage can function differently between tort states and no fault states, it's important to discuss specifics with a licensed insurance agent or an insurance company. So here's it. Liability insurance. Liability coverage pay for costs associated with an accident for which you are found legally at fault. Liability insurance generally include two types of coverage. Bodily injury. This covers the expenses related to injuries or death for the others. Example: another drivers, their passengers, or a pedestrian when you are at fault. Property damage. This covers their expenses for repair or replacement of others' property. Example: fencing, a home, etc. You damage when operating your vehicle. The most states require drivers to carry a minimum amount of liability coverage before they can register and operate a vehicle in that state. You can find out how much coverage you need by visiting your state's Department of Motor Vehicle (DMV) or by visiting our auto insurance by state guide. Learn more about how liability car insurance works. So here's it. Basically, uninsured motorist coverage. Uninsured motorist coverage provide financial protection if you are hurt in an accident and the other drivers does not have car insurance. Depending on where you live, this coverage may extend to cover property damage. Uninsured motorist coverage also play if you are the victim of a hit and run. Your state may require you to carry a minimum amount of an uninsured motorist coverage. So here's it. You may also want to consider underinsured motorist UIM coverage, which typically plays the difference between your expenses and the policy limit of the at-fault driver when their limits are insufficient. However, in some states, underinsured motorist coverage is not applicable unless your underinsured motorist limits are greater than the liability limits of the other driver. So here's it. I learned more about uninsured motorist coverage, personal injury protection, and that this no-fault insurance coverage pays the medical expenses for you or your passengers. If you are injured in an accident, regardless of who is at fault, personal injury protection (PIP) may also apply if you are riding a bike or walking and or hit by a vehicle. In some cases, PIP coverage may reimburse you for lost wages and expenses for tasks you can't perform while recovering, such as house cleaning. So here's it. Basically, this is all about the how does car insurance work. So if you like my video, then please subscribe it and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching this video.